Hey, welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while since I've posted on here. I've been busy with work and travel and all that jazz, but today I am getting the rear wheel nut installed by Ducabike. So Pro Italia is going to be putting on a red version of it, as well as replacing my sprocket and going with a black sprocket with some red jazz and the Ducabike sprocket carrier. So that's it for today. So stand by for what it's going to look like. All right, guys. Well, we had kind of a little snafu at Pro Italia. The rear wheel nut on this side that Ducabike sent over appears that it didn't fit. This part where the socket goes into was just too thick, so there wasn't an opportunity to be able to fit this and then be able to put the safety ring in. It was just sticking out too much, so it kind of defeated the purpose of a safety ring. So Pro Italia put the this one back on, the OEM one back on, and reached out to Ducabike, and they're going to get back to me in terms of what happened there. Was it a quality fitment issue, whatever, at the factory? But unfortunately weren't able to install the rear wheel nut. However, on this side we were able to install the Supersprocket alongside the Ducabike flange and nuts. And again, the safety ring, because I ordered it in red. However, Ducabike sent over a red one that was powder coated, and it matched more of the color of the trellis frame versus their CNC stuff, their anodized stuff. So that kind of annoyed me. So I said, look, if they don't have a anodized red that matches, then just order me the black one. So waiting to hear back, but that's how the sprocket looks. I think it looks super clean. I didn't go with the CNC one or with the AEM because there was just way too many components that you would have to connect together with the cush drives and everything. And what I'm trying to do is avoid a whole bunch of stuff that could fail. And this was probably the simplest, I guess, combo. So there you have it. Unfortunately, can't get the rear wheel nut, so not done, but they're gonna call me when it comes in. But that's the way the bike looks now. Almost done. Next up, rear sets, which I already have, just waiting to put them on.